This is Wall from the Flow Trading Academy, and today we're going to take a look at the TPO chart, also known as the market profile. So first, to understand what this is, we need to know a little bit about auction market theory. This is the concept that the financial markets operate like a live auction, and a live auction's job is to facilitate trading and seek fair value for its product, service, etc. And now you might be wondering, what's the difference between this TPO chart here on the left and a volume profile? Because they look somewhat similar, but are entirely different because they measure different things. The volume profile is measuring volume, while the TPO chart is measuring time, price, and opportunity. This is represented by these letters. You will see the letters A. All these letters represent a 30-minute period in time. The first letter A representing 30 minutes, the very first 30 minutes of the trading session or day, and B being the second 30 minutes of the trading session or day. Now this gives us a different visual representation of when the market is in a balanced state and an imbalanced state. And retail traders will refer to this as a range or a trend. And how can we utilize this in our trading? So we have a very clear representation of a balanced value area right here, from here to here. So as this is developing throughout the day, you could be looking for buying opportunities near the lows to fade it back inside this range up towards the high of the range. And vice versa, you could be looking for selling opportunities to fade it back into the range where we have value acceptance of the day. Now let's go a step further and look at a poor high and a poor low. What is this? At the bottom here, we can see two different letters with equal lows. This represents an incomplete auction. So price is very likely to revisit this area and break and trade lower. Knowing this, on this next trading day, we know we can start looking for selling opportunities to break this low. With a clear objective in mind and a clear target in mind, this will help us greatly with trading. So A period opens up, the market opens up. We're looking only to sell the market down to break these lows. B period opens up. We still have yet to break the lows. So we're still looking for selling opportunities until finally C period breaks the lows. And you can see we trade lower for the rest of the day and we created a new balance lower. Now, what we can also do is we can split this TPO chart. So by clicking on this letter, we can hit split this profile and we break the profile up. So now we can see each individual 30-minute period. Now, as you can see, we are trading lower and we continue to trend lower. And as we pull back, we can see that we hit the top of the value of the range, and we can look for selling opportunities back inside the range. There's a lot more interesting things that we can do with the TPO chart, and we'll be going over that in the Flow Trading Academy. So I'll see you inside.